Hello. I want to introduce you new bike, Trek Top Fuel 9.9 XX1 AXS 2020 year edition. Top Fuel 9.9 XX1 AXS is our top-of-the-line full-suspension carbon mountain bike for endurance racers and multi-discipline riders. This down-country rig is built with the latest in fully wireless components like the SRAM XX1 Eagle AXS drivetrain and RockShox Reverb AXS dropper. It's also spec'd with high-end RockShox suspension and lots of carbon, including the wheels, bars, and shift levers. You'll fly through single-track and rip descents on this bike, but it really shines when pushed to its full potential during grueling endurance races.